Congratulations and thank you for your trust in us. And we promise that you will get all that we promised and more inside the Vidvee members area. But before you proceed to access Vidvee and set up your own profitable video channels, I would like to ask you a question. How would you like to remove all limitations to go unlimited and get 3x more traffic, commissions, and profits faster and easier with no extra efforts? I'm super excited to introduce Vidvee Pro, including the power to take your business to the next level by getting full flexibility to do anything. Create unlimited channels and projects, add unlimited videos, add unlimited custom domains, get unlimited storage, get unlimited bandwidth, drive unlimited traffic and leads, promote unlimited affiliate offers, and ultimately watch your profits go through the roofs by unlocking never-seen-before features. We've left no stone unturned to make you the market pro, and that's why you're getting everything premium. Interested? Let's check it out. Create unlimited channels in any niche for yourself and clients. Now, establish yourself as an authority in multiple niches or topics by creating unlimited video channels to get maximum traffic, lead, and sales hands down. You're getting the power to create unlimited projects inside your business and get maximum audience hook to ultimately take your video marketing efforts to the next level. You can add unlimited videos and, more content on hundreds of topical keywords to reach out to wider audience hands-free. You can add unlimited custom domains to build your authority and credibility by showing videos on your own domain with your own logo. It also gives you better exposure in search engines. You're getting unlimited storage to get your media content delivered faster and provide best user experience. You're getting unlimited bandwidth to give best user experience without getting worried of any limitations of video size, rich media content, and bandwidth. You can drive unlimited visitors and leads for your offers and make the most from them in a hassle-free manner. You can even create unlimited ads and get maximum affiliate commissions in a hands-down manner. Going unlimited alone is of huge value for your business, but that's not all. We've got many other amazing features. Give a unique look to your videos with 5 stunning and fully customizable video players. With this edition, we are giving 5 fully customizable video players. It can show your videos in the most stunning way possible. To get the best results, there are many more controls available, like center play button, bottom play button, share option, volume controls, etc. to make your player beautiful. Customize your player with 8 eye-catchy frames and get all your visitors hooked to it. Make your videos look enticing and attention-grabbing with 8 eye-pleasing video frames that are available only for the customers of this Pro Edition. You can pick any frame from the list, and your video will be played in the same video frame that you chose. Get 3x traffic by getting your videos forcefully shared on top social media platforms. With this feature, you can lock a video anywhere and force the visitors to share it on their social media to watch the full video. That way, it can make your video viral and multiply the traffic with no extra effort. It hardly takes 2 minutes to choose a template and set it up. You can set video URL or even your affiliate link to be shared directly on the wall of visitors' social media. Get 50 extra proven converting lead and promo templates to multiply the benefits of your purchase. We're offering 50 extra attractive and eye-catchy templates to grab more leads for your offers. No coding, no imagining what looks good and what works. We already did the hard work for you. You just choose a template, edit the call to action text and image to create a beautiful, crispy, and effective lead app and promo app in seconds. You can set the time at which you want to show them as well. Never offered before video personalization to boost conversions. This is something that your customers will love. Now you too can show viewers name, email address, and location inside video on any particular duration. Just imagine how beautiful it would look when you get an email with your own name, location, etc. on it. Create a personalized email link of the video. Want to create a personalized link for your video and inside your emails? Vidvee Pro Edition got you covered. Just use this state-of-the-art technology and be ready to share your videos to audience scattered globally with zero hassles. Viral page customization feature to enhance its visual appeal. and resonate with your brand. With this feature, you can give your video page a unique look and feel by managing various options like page layout, sharing option, related videos, etc. You can also insert Google ads or your own banner ads to boost monetization. Capture leads of your visitors when they interact on your videos. With this feature, you will get all your subscribers' details in your Vidvee, as well as an autoresponder. Whenever your viewer interacts on your videos, they will have to enter their credentials on your video page first, and that will get you their name, email address, and show what action they have taken. Maximize ROI from your leads with webinar integration. With Pro Edition, we are making it easier for you to integrate a webinar, so when someone fills in the form, they automatically will get registered for webinar to maximum ROI. Unlimited team management. To let your team handle all the manual work, create custom roles, assign privileges for unlimited team members, and manage your projects and even your clients' projects fast and easy. Isn't it super cool? We've never offered features like this before, and this is your only chance to get them. Lastly, you're getting all these benefits at an unparalleled price. So, when you add all of these features to your existing purchase, it's like adding 1,000 tons of jet fuel to Vidvee and setting it on fire with dynamite. These premium features put this upgrade in an entire elite class of its own. No other software comes even close to it. But there's a small catch. This exclusive offer and bonuses are available only today, and only right now, for folks like you who picked up Vidvee main offer. And we are offering it for a very minimal investment before your competitors catch on. Start making profits with all the amazing features you're getting with this Vidvee Pro upgrade. And rest assured, hi, welcome back. You have seen Vidvee and you know it's amazing. What would you say if you could start selling Vidvee by itself and keep 100% of the profits in your pocket? Yes, you heard that right. We decided to do something that will help you make money fast by handing over the exact software we are selling right now. Now, you can be a software entrepreneur and sell winning software to make money like the gurus do. And even better that you can do it all without an initial investment of $5,000 to $10,000 just to build it. We already covered it for you. Whether you are a newbie or an experienced business head honcho, everyone needs videos and video channels for more and more traffic and engagement. So, Vidvee is a high-in-demand product that has been created to solve all the problems faced by marketers and business owners. Now just imagine, what if you could give your customers a feature-packed software that enables them to create branded video channels packed with awesome videos, drives free viral traffic, and makes hands-free sales with no video creation or editing skills ever. They will bite your hands off to get Vidvee away from you for any amount of money, and you keep 100% profits in your pocket. With this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, take my word, you will not even need a website. Yeah! You do not need to bother doing a single thing yourself. You have a top-notch software solution in your hand to start selling right away. And take our money-making sales pages, high-converting sales videos, and sales funnels to start selling today. It's extremely simple and easy. Do you know what the best part is? We will take care of all the customer support, product delivery, and training. You don't even need to lift a finger. I know this is a mind-blowing deal. It's something that will make you lots of money. So take action now. This can be your big software entrepreneur break, which can lead to awesome things. So go ahead and grab your Vidvee reseller license today. We are only allowing a limited number of people to get this right now. The price is also crazy low. So don't think twice and secure your copy now to start selling Vidvee for 100% profits. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you inside the members area. Your investment is covered by our rock-solid 30-day